Welcome to my YouTube channel, the hub for everyone passionate about the CAM software hyperMILL. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just beginning your journey, this is the place where you'll find a wealth of knowledge, tips, and tricks to elevate your work with this powerful software. But my vision goes beyond just sharing information. I aim to create a community where we can all learn from each other. I believe that each of us has unique insights and experiences that can benefit others. From detailed tutorials to personal user stories, I plan to cover a wide range of content, and I warmly invite you to be an active part of it. I encourage you to share your insights, ask questions, and grow with us. Your contributions, whether they're complex machining solutions or simple efficiency tips, are incredibly valuable. So, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and let's build a platform of exchange and innovation together. Together, we can unlock the full potential of hyperMILL and take our projects to new heights. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and remember, your expertise could be the game changer someone else needs. Let's share our knowledge, learn from each other, and excel together. Welcome aboard.